Good morning, class. My name is Brian Kiplimo. I will be taking you through sustainable resource use. That is our topic for today. And we have a subtopic on principles of 3Rs, whereby we start by the wastage management procedures following the principles of 3Rs. We have the reduce, reuse, and recycle. These principles are the most commonly preferred methods for minimizing wastage. They are easiest and commonly used techniques. And then we have number one, whereby reduce. It calls for usage of resources that are just enough to cater to your needs. For example, building a small house. It lowers the cost of resource consumption. Reducing can be attained through attaining accurate measurements to ensure that there is little or no wastage of the resources. The process of reducing begins with determining what you are using and what for purpose. We have an example there, whereby you see this picture. It shows a lot of waste materials that are maybe you can avoid from using it to reduce the cost. You see this a lot of waste production, whereby reduce is a major way of minimizing the waste in our area or our facilities. We have number two, reuse. It involves repurposing items for use in different from what was initially produced for. One appropriate example is the modular construction of homes and offices that are being created out of discarded shipping. As use this is example where you see containers here. These are containers that are already being used mostly for ferrying products or goods from one place to another. An example of ferrying products from Mombasa maybe to Uganda. You can see these containers have been turned to be offices or maybe houses. We have number three, whereby we have the recycle. Recycling means that an item will be transformed again into a new material that can be shaped into a new item, e.g. the waste from plastic can be transformed to make new plastic products. So you see this picture, you see a plastic bottle here. Sand or soil has been filled inside it and used to grow maybe a flower or a plant.